Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the VWAP Relative Strength Index.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the VWAP Relative Strength Index. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 43 different strategies, with 12 of them being winners. We have also tested a total of 495 indicators, with 206 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. Keep in mind that we test all these indicators and strategies on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the VWAP Relative Strength Index, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. I did go in and make the red and green line just a little bit thicker and easier to see. And this is a cheat country indicator. That is the creator as cheat country. And in most of his indicators, he puts in the bar coloration, as you can see here up on the screen of the bars there. And so I'm going to go ahead and turn those off because that has been requested by viewers often, and honestly I like it better that way myself. And so the setup on this is when the relative strength, the VWAP relative strength line goes from red to green, so basically when it crosses up above the black line here, then we are going to go long. When it crosses down below and goes red, then we are going to go short. And so that's the setup we're looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, so the first signal we pick up is a short signal right here. Unfortunately, almost immediately, price action rolls under and takes off to the upside there, stopping us out on the short that we took right there. And then we pick up this long over here on this side. We get a little bit of a pullback right here, and then a little bit of consolidation before price action takes back off to the upside, and that one gets us to take profit rather nicely. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so the next signal that we pick up is a long signal. It's a short, I'm sorry, right there on this one. And immediately we get flipped back to the long side. And then almost immediately we get flipped back to the short side. So we take 2 losing trades there before we pick up this short. Runs down a decent little amount there, getting us to take profit as well. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that is going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, you'll get access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post a regular market analysis where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly when they are entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, which we've recently had transferred over into an Excel sheet. And so you'll get the Excel sheet and the PDF of all the indicators, showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. That shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones are losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those individual strategies. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our other members has put together an amazing team of traders, coders, and developers. And they have created a decent amount of profitable, optimized indicators, a few of them that they are giving away to all the patrons absolutely free. And they're actually working on turning some of those indicators and strategies into trading bots. And once they have that worked out, they'll be offering those to the patrons as well. So there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, back to our indicator here. And so we can see that it gave us a lot of trades. That's usually not a very good sign, but let's go ahead and count these out and see what we can get. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, and 52. So we have 52 trades all together. That is quite a bit. And so let's go ahead and count out the winners and see what we got there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we have 19 winning trades. And so obviously that is not going to meet the 60% criteria. Fell quite a bit short. And I mean, what can we say? This one did a lot of over trading. And like I said, most of the time when we see this many trades in 1 year's time, usually ends up not being very accurate and therefore ends up not meeting the 60% criteria. And so this one's kind of no different than we've seen many times before. All right, so this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.